Hey everyone, how are you all? So in this video, I am going to guide you how to introduce yourself in a technical interview. Number one thing, if the interviewer already knows your name, so never ever mention like my name is this, never ever go with this flow. Always start with as you already know my name is this and so on. So this is how you should start an interview. Just I will give you one example, like as you already know my name is Parneet Kaur. If the interview doesn't know my name, then you can go with my name is Parneet Kaur. That's fine. That's totally fine. Then afterwards, don't mention your scores of 10th and your 12th. Don't mention your percentage, your CGPA. Don't mention that because the interviewer already have your resume, right? So they can read it through your resume only that what is your score, overall score. So that no need to mention that. You can just simply mention your degree which you are currently pursuing, like I'm pursuing bachelor's of technology in computer science engineering from this and this college. So this is how you should mention what degree you are pursuing right now. If you have already completed up with your degree, then you can mention your ongoing internship, your ongoing trainings, that you can mention first, right? And then you can proceed with the languages. You should mention the languages which you have learned so far, like I'm proficient in Python, Java, C++, like these technologies or these languages you can just simply mention. And after mentioning your languages, you can also tell about the major or minor projects which you have built so far by using these languages. So you can mention that, okay? And otherwise you can just simply mention the skill set which you have prepared. For example, if you're good in front end, so you can simply mention that I am having good knowledge on front end skills like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, Flexbox or React.js, whatever so you have learned so far. So the technology you should mention. If you are pursuing if you have pursued any data analytics course, say, okay, so you can simply mention that I have good knowledge on Excel, Power BI, Tableau, like this you should mention. And according to the skill set, always mention a little projects so that the interviewer can relate that. Yes, and sometimes the interviewer they ask like is there any project which you have not mentioned in your resume but you want to just simply mention, so you can mention that also, right? So this is a good to go thing. And afterwards just do not end the introduction simply. Then afterwards you should mention a little about yourself, like your hobbies or your nature. You can say like I'm versatile in nature, I have worked as a like a team leader also. Apart from this, I have never felt ashamed to work as a team member too, like this you can simply mention. And do not end your introduction directly. Some of the people they have a very wrong habit that they simply stop. This is not a good thing, yaar. Okay, so don't just simply stop whenever you are done with your introduction. Just simply say that's all about me.